Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use blue color to color the roof, the top of the house. Blue color. This is red color. Here, we use red to color the wall of the house. Red color. Purple color. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. We use green color to color the window. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.